Welcome, and this is the series where I install the injector gasket ring and the decoupler with this kind of tool on the N55 injector. So those bags contain the actual gaskets. They were $1.77 each on the internet, and those are decouplers that were a little expensive. They were $10.72 each. You would need a cutting knife to cut off the old gaskets of the injector. And those are injectors that I've pulled from the head, and as you can see, it still has the old gasket on it, and I will use the knife to cut this off. But be careful, be gentle with the knife. And so you could get a rag, wipe off everything off the head from the injector, and as you can see, I have already cut the gasket, but there's nothing really to it. Just don't use a lot of force on the knife. Wipe any debris or gunk off the head. Now take the gasket and put it on top of that pin that came with the tool. And so with this pin, when you'll put the pin on top of the injector, like so, you would need to push that gasket down onto the injector's head so that it fits the opening right there. You can push it with your fingers. Now it's already on. Now you take this tool and you insert this injector inside the tool and turn it all the way down. So this part needs to connect with the injector, and you start turning it, not a lot, but just kind of go sideways left to right, and it will slowly take the shape of the injector's opening. The gasket will, like so, and you can see it's a perfect fit. You can wipe it off again and take the decoupler and insert it or put it on top of the injector, and make sure that little opening on the decoupler faces towards the injector. Just gonna work yourself, but be gentle with those, even though they're pretty tough. But you can still break them or bend them, and it's not gonna fit the injector the right way. And in case you were wondering how much this tool was, it is roughly $130. Is it worth it? In my opinion, it does. And thank you for watching.